To install our two-tier cutlery tray drawer, we're first going to remove the stock drawer from the cabinet. Flip it over and uninstall the latches from the bottom of the drawer box. Next, install the drawer latches on the bottom of the cutlery tray drawer. Note that there is a left and a right side. Use the short countersunk screws to install the latches. Next, install the cutlery tray drawer into the cabinet. Now you're going to cut pieces of the double-sided adhesive tape and place it on the cutlery tray drawer. Place the drawer front on the cutlery tray drawer, ensuring that it's lined up nicely with any other drawer fronts around it. Open the drawer underneath the cutlery tray drawer and pull the cutlery tray drawer out, ensuring that you do not pull the drawer front off of it. Remove the cutlery tray drawer from the cabinet. Using a pencil, mark where the cutlery tray drawer is resting against the back of the drawer front. Remove the cutlery tray drawer from the drawer front and remove the double-sided adhesive tape. After removing the tape, replace the cutlery tray drawer on the back of the drawer front, ensuring that the marks you made with your pencil line up with each other. Install the brackets, noting the position shown in the video. Reinstall the entire assembly, cutlery tray drawer with drawer front attached, onto the slides, ensuring the latches latch with the slides. Note that you have adjustability on the bracket. Loosen the screws, adjust the drawer front as needed. Congratulations. Enjoy.